Hi everyone, it's Miss Cheryl at Sacred Heart Montessori, and today we are going to do something a little bit different with our golden bead cards. So, what you're going to need is your box that has your golden bead cards and your place value cards in it, and a nice open space to work. So if you need to get that set up, you can pause the video and make sure you have a workspace and your golden bead cards. You ready to go? All right, so I don't know if you've noticed this, but there are two sides to your golden bead cards. And today we're gonna start using the other side. So these cards are for our unit beads. Have you noticed what's on the other side? It's a 1. My camera sometimes has trouble focusing. If I put it up close, it will know to focus on this. 1. Because the units are 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, what do you think it's going to say on the back of a 10 bar? You can peek and see. It says 10. 10 bars are 10. What do you think we're going to see on the back of the 100 square? That was a really hard time focusing. Wow. The back of the 100 square shows us, oops, it's upside down, 100. And on the back of a 1000 cube, it has 1000. What? Maybe I need to. Okay. So today we're going to do addition with the cards using the place value, the numeral side, instead of using the golden bead side. So it's a little bit harder because we have to remember when we see this, we have to remember that says 1000. So that's the same as 1000 cube. But you can always, if you forget, you can always flip it over and see what picture is on the other side. And then you'll know, oh yeah, that's 1000. 1000. Okay, so let me show you the equation that we're going to do. Now this one is going to not have any regrouping, just so we can get used to do it using the numeral side of our place value cards, since that's something new to get used to. All right, so let's see what our first add-in is. That first number, can you read it with me? We have 3,600, 410, 1. Okay, so pause the video so you can see this and see if you can make that number with your cards, but you're going to flip it over to the numeral side. Think you can do it? Try it and then unpause the video and I'll show you what mine look like. All right, does this look like what you have? Do you have 3,000? 5 and 1, 600, 410, 1. If you need to, you can pause it to fix yours. And if you're ready, we can make our second add-in. So now we're going to do the second quantity, which is 2,000. No hundreds. See, there's a 0 there. So 2,000, 310, 5. Okay, so you can pause the video with it right here. And then restart it once you've made your quantity. Okay, does your quantity look the same as mine? Did you make 2,000? 0 hundreds. 310. 5 or 5 ones. Okay, pause the video if you need to fix it. And then we are ready to start joining our quantities. And do you remember where we start when we're doing addition? Do we start over here with the thousands or with the ones? Always with the smallest quantities. We'll start with the ones. Oh, this is going to be easy. Look, we have 1 and then we're adding 5. 5 and 1 is 6. We have 6 ones. I'm just going to switch this one down to the bottom. Okay, now let's join our 10s together. So we have 4 and we're joining 3 with it. So that's 5. 2. You know what 5 and 2 is? How many 10s? 5, 10, and 2, 10 is 7 10s. Okay, and then we had 600 and we're adding 0. So it's still 600. And now we will join our thousands. 3, and we're adding 2 more. And that makes 5,000. So let's see if we can read our sum. So when we're reading, we'll always start over here on the left. We have 5,000, 600, 710, 6. Say it again. 5,000, 600, 710, 6. So that's all for today. And next time we'll start doing some addition with regrouping and using the numeral tiles to do it. You think you're ready? I think you are. We'll do the first one together to make sure you really have the hang of it. All right, I will talk to you soon.